Might come in.
Beck's still alive. He walked himself into camp. David Brashears and the IMAX team are going to get him down to Camp 1.
Thanks, Mike.
We don't even know how, but he is alive. The thing is, Peach,
We can't get him down the ice fall.
Oh, no, I'll get him down. I'll get him down. Okay, okay, what do we need? We need a helicopter, right?
yeah, but they can't.
Take a helicopter up that high because the air's too thin.
We should try, but it is one heck of a risk.
And he's not in a good way, Peach, so I don't want you to get your hopes up too high.
One step at a time. You gotta keep moving.
Sorry.
I know.
I'm tired.
I know you are. Come on. Slow and steady. Come on, keep moving.
Yes, I'd like the number of the American Embassy in Kathmandu, Nepal. Yes, Nepal.
Ambassador, please. No, suites I can't hold.
No, you listen, sir. My husband's already died once, as you'll have seen on the news. Trust me, having him die a second time is not going to play well on CNN.
Here we go, buddy. That's it. All right.
Mike? How you doing?
Oh, you know, fair to middling.
Warming up?
I'm not sure yet.
Look like you are a little bit.
How's Rob doing?
Rob's still up there right now.
And Doug? What's he up to?
Doug's gone back